Hey guys, Jeremy here at Kentucky Wash Pros. Today we're going to be cleaning some apartment buildings. There's 8 buildings and 1 office, so we got 9 total to do. So I want to take you along for that ride. We got the truck loaded to the trailer. Everything's ready to go. Full 55 on the bleach, an extra. That way we have enough. We're ready to go. Anyways guys, if you haven't already, do me a favor, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below just to say, hey, what's going on? Or if you're interested in talking about doing apartments, drop a comment down below. Or if you've done apartments, let me know what your thought process is on it. So we're filming with the GoPro today. It's my first go around with it, so bear with me. Hopefully the footage is going to be good. I'm still trying to figure it out, but let's go ahead and let's get started. All right guys, we're on the first job. We're going to be doing this apartment complex. It's 9 buildings in total. Here's the back side of this one. We're pulled around. We're going to start on the front, to the front side of the building and the office. Flow Pro's on in rinse mode. Always started in rinse mode. Got about a couple hundred feet of hose pulled, so we're going to use the 8-gallon. Come over here. Alright, we just went on the mix mode, waiting on our Kim to come out. All right, guys, we're on this job. Got the second day here. All we got left is this apartment building here to do. So what we're doing is we're going to downstream it. So I had some problems with this 8. It's leaking oil, not from a drain plug, but from behind the engine. It's not wanting to stay running, so it's using oil. It's causing some issues. So we're going to downstream with the 10. I got it switched over and hooked up. Hose is pulled. I tested this section first to make sure it's going to be able to pull enough chemical to clean. Looks like it's going to do just fine, so we're going to get started. So everything's pulled, we're ready to go. Let's get on it here. $7.2 hours.